the climate was so awesome, so we were like chalo drive करके चले जाते हैं लोनावला. So we went to this place called the Ambe Valley City, which is spread across 10,000 plus acres. This is the Hermitage Villas, which is quite huge. Now this is the Supreme Cottage, which costs around 15 to 20,000, including breakfast for 2 people and excluding taxes. This is the washroom, which has 15 minutes of nice hot water. This is the view from your room. It has huge glass windows. It has quite a raw forest feel. Now this is the way to the Banaras Ghat, which is so beautiful, and this is the entry to the Cabana and Spa, which is a little bit spooky. मतलब आप देख सकते हो कैसा है ये, पर काफ़ी खूबसूरत है. Let's check in the Cabana. Just look at this, so spacious, so beautiful. This cabana will cost you somewhere around 35 to 45,000 per night. और सबसे खूबसूरत और सुकून भरा नज़ारा है यहाँ से. The best part about Ambe Valley City is you have full privacy and you can just be in peace. You don't have unwanted crowd or unwanted people around you. And these are small cabanas, and this is the high security guard here. The giant swing, this is how it looks in the night, and this is the sail bridge with different twinkling lights. You can stand here, click some pictures. I'm on my way to the Lakeview Cafe. You get different kinds of cuisine over here and they are amazing. The pizza, the pasta, the tacos, और इतना प्यारा नज़ारा है, आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज़ द वुडपेकर रेस्टोरेंट, जहाँ आप आते हो ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए. ठीक, अब यहाँ पे वैरायटी है, वैरायटी. ठीक है, यू हैव फ्रूट्स, सैंडविचेस, सैलड्स, साउथ इंडियन डिशेस, green tea, pink tea, blue tea, chai, coffee, a lot of bakery products which look very fancy but taste में इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, quite average. Then I went to see the swimming pool, which was quite elegant, very beautiful, but not that deep. It was just 4 to 5 feet. You have a golf cart which picks you up and drops you from certain places. This is how the giant swing looks during the day. In Ambe Valley City, it has many things to offer you. You have the spa, the adventure square, you can go for trekking, you have the sail bridge, you have the woodpecker restaurant, tuk tuk tapri, fountain show, namak, giant swing, मबरूक, stable है जहाँ पे अलग अलग किस्म के horses है. Some are very friendly, some are very rude. You can click pictures with them, ride, or feed them. Then I went to the fish spa, and these were another fancy doctor fishes, and you have to wash your feet and go and dip your feet in the tank. They were very friendly and hungry too. They were nibbling on all my dead skin, and this was quite a tingling experience. Then I went to feed the duck and the fishes. The ducks were quite rude, okay, and I went on a boat that was floating on pipes, so it's not quite safe. That's why they gave us safety jackets. Now I am going to the Spanish cottage that is very fancy, and it costs you somewhere around 30 to 35,000, and it's not quite raw forest feel, it's quite man-made. The landscape, the gardens. This is the washroom and the room that you saw, and this is how the garden is. This, I'm heading to the Burmese chalets, which cost around 30 to 40,000, and they are huge, they are very beautiful and very spacious. You can just have a look. It depends, the cost depends on the size of the room, and just look at this, guys, it's so amazing. गैलरी में आपके पास एक सोफ़ा सेट है और आपके पास जकूजी है, यू नो, फुल रॉ फॉरेस्ट फील, एंड इन द वॉशरूम दे हैव एन ओपन bath at the end of the washroom, okay? And this was somebody we met at the Sail Bridge. So we have the town plaza, which offers a cafe restaurant. We have water sport area, which offers luxury boats, speed boats. We have golf club, ambe gym, activity center, and schools and hospitals. You have different kinds of suites, you know, Aussie room, Spanish cottage, Burmese chalet, supreme cottage, hermitage luxury villas, cabanas, Aveda suites, lot of options. The best part about Ambe Valley is that it is a place worth visiting once. It is, the price is a little bit high, but it's an excellent experience. This is the Adventure Square, and this is the tariff.